We go from over the sea onto a pirate ship to under the sea with the mermaids. Everyone did what? I'm John.
I'm Jesse. And I'm Crystal. Well, kind of sadly, because David just made an intro that made me want to not be here right now and not describe it.
Well, welcome back to Mario 45. Today we're doing Undersea Dream.
This is my favorite board, so I'm not happy you gave it the treatment of a bad intro.
Hey, somebody laughed.
Nobody did.
Anyway, I'm going third this time. So the third change.
There he is! DJ!
Oh, that's pretty close.
Like, really close. Okay, so just like last board, there are two different islands on this board that you can split off and go around, which is why I like this board for team games. It allows the two players to work together a lot better and cover more ground in that kind of sense. In other cases, your goal is always the same. But under the sea here, there's plenty of happening spaces.
I'll try to learn it.
Okay, so this happening space right here. You get just to ride a manta ray that will take you to the other island. You collect coins along the way. There's about 20 in all. You don't necessarily collect them all. This happening space. A dolphin will come and take you to the other island forcibly, and you don't get coins via it. I believe Donkey Kong was, there's Donkey Kong down now. This happening space. You get to choose one of three items. Either a random capsule, a Bowser suit, or nothing.
Jeez.
Yeah, it can be pretty brutal. This is another manta ray. And this is a coin grab minigame. Aside from that, that's about it for this board.
Okay. So I'm going to be impressed that most of the boards in Mario 45 are really simple.
They don't have much to go off of, but they're cool. Most of them are cool, but there's one like Sweet Dream that just fall flat on its face.
I can see, okay. Yeah, no. No thanks, I'll just go over here. I'm not going for the star, I know I can't get it because she's going to get it first.
Unless I don't win the minigame.
Oh yeah, wait.
Yeah. John actually goes past it, I think.
Oh, I do? I see the Bowser capsule just sitting in there. Yes, I do. Well, screw you then. I'll follow my own path.
Coin block, really?
Sweet. But it's a little maddening considering the fact that, I should have gotten... No, I just passed the star and now I have enough for it.
Willflower.
Come on! Why do you make me have to mash the A button? I'm not that good at it.
Come on, you can try.
I'm not a good A masher, okay? I do my best. My best is only never good enough for this game. Because we played it twice. How do you do it? I can't mash that fast.
I don't really know. I just do.
I can't mash that fast. Not like anyone else for that matter.
Yeah. Well, about the same level as you.
Which sucks because I don't know how good I was at domination back then.
And oh my god, why did you have to pick that mini game? Because now she has a star. Starting this board off well and strong. The next star is right in front of me and David. Yeah, me. Oh well, Crystal's saying boys, I'm not. Alright, let's get it moving. Racketon. I see. You didn't land on that. I was trying to though. Need the sex for it. I got a 4-2, so yeah. 4-player minigame. Chip Chase, new minigame, I think. No? No? Oh, this one. Yeah, we played it before. If you cut a line, you're screwed in this minigame. Yes. Oh no! Crap! What's the gold? Oh yeah, I got it. Oh, I was right there. I almost caught you. Too bad. Oh. He gets up to the second place, tied with John. Yeah. I don't win that many game, but overshooting the star this time. Ooh, happening. Oh yay! I don't get to move shit. Yeah, you haven't moved much. I should have! Oh, come on! Now you know how it feels! Can I get that next time? Hopefully not. 7. Next minigame. Another 4-player. Frozen Frenzy. We still haven't seen Hotel Goomba, and I really do want to see it. So it's probably one of my favorite minigames. Probably. Well, there was some good ones here, some bad ones. Most of them are just like basically matches or something. Yeah, well, but this game has a lot of them. What the? Oh my! Thanks. Oh my god! start your winning streak on this level, on this mini game.
I tried.
Six, okay. Oh, I was at DQ. That would be nice. Fire!
I hate how in 6 they start not letting you place item capsules where players are actually landed.
Yeah, it's kind of nice.
God! I was right there. It almost hit a 1 on me.
Okay, now it's a waste for the star.
Everyone who's coming up to it has enough. Why is it throwing that down? Well, let's say one place, but you're probably gonna get first since you go before me.
1v3 minigame. Mario Max, new one. This is one of my favorites. Fight in a battle arena setting using vehicles to fire back and forth. Whoever is supposed to destroy the opposition wins. I can move, A to fire beam, B to fire shock beam. You guys can only fire the beam, only use the fire beam, but the B button, you can also dash. L and I can use the dodge as well as A and B for charge shots.
Wow, so you seem a lot more power than us.
Yes, but you have a lot more mobility than me. My mech is a lot slower, but it's kind of, you gotta make good balance of this. So this sounds really unfair for the one for the lead. Shit. Yes.
Oh God.
That's. Oh. Oh, what? She has a really big beam.
I think Crystal down.
Damn.
God, oh God.
Oh, frick!
Oh, come on. You know I can't beat her.
She has only ever one of it left. Oh, frick! Oh. No, what about even? How did I got you? Ugh. That one's tough, especially when
2 or 3 that were down.
It's a waste for that star now.
Oh, come on! Come on! You can't just justify that!
Oh, baby.
Come on! She needed a fucking 9 to get that for crying out loud. Ugh! And they just placed up there just to spite us!
Tone it down.
That is just so cheap! We had that!
Filato.
Oh no! Oh, she did not. She didn't what? Whoop the crystal. She's the closest, but she also goes out. Okay, she may have gotten it.
Happening next time. The whales.
Okay. 8. I would have gone to stall with that. Oh, frick. Oh, happening.
It will get me closer to where I would need to go, so I'll go for it.
Pretty sure, right? I'm pretty sure it drops me off at the other log, right?
That's correct. Yep.
So it would technically be closer. So I'm gonna say yes. There we go. You only missed 2 points. Yeah, it's kind of hard to miss some, but oh, I got the same amount getting happening too.
Now it's a tad, but you're not leave us for happening.
No thanks. I'm sorry, but no.
4-player minigame, wait time.
Yeah, this doesn't often happen.
Hydro Stars!
Is this one new?
I don't remember. Oh no, it isn't. I always think of something else when there's a bug. You've said that.
Sick turn, but that didn't work.
He's gonna head in the ways.